Hey friends, you can see I'm not standing by my stove for the quarantine cooking videos that I do for y'all, because today I just want to share with y'all some of the sweetest things that people have sent to me or said to me. It touches my heart, and in a way I can't believe. I just can't believe. But so I want to share a few things with y'all. I just got this letter from Penny Lutz, and she said, I just love and appreciate all your videos on quarantine cooking. With all of this free time, I find myself in the kitchen as well. I have a recipe for depression spaghetti made with salt pork if you are interested. It has been in my family as long as I can remember. Yes, Penny. Yes, I'm interested. Please send me depression spaghetti. I'd love to read up about it and read the history about it. Penny says, it came from my Aunt Boot, who grew up in the Depression. She made hers with salt pork, and that is the only spaghetti I will eat. I wasn't sure if you'd heard of it or not. Thank you for bringing a little sunshine into my day. You hugs and best dishes. Thank you, Penny. I can't tell you, what your words do to me. God has just blessed me so much to be able to have contact with all the people that I do have contact with. So send me that recipe, girl, and we'll do it. Depression spaghetti. I did the depression pie. Remember the water pie? All right. And the next person I want to thank, does this look like anybody you know?
Well, the glasses are up on the forehead.
Yes. And that's where they stay sometimes.
So that's where they stay.
Like right up here. And look how pretty my hair is. That hair is all duded up with a pretty bow in it. And they got my false eyelashes on me. Look at those flappers. Wonder what she tastes like. I wonder if she's sweet. I hope she's sweet. Let's see, I think I'll start with that bowl of strawberries. Ooh, she is sweet and so good. All right. I shouldn't have tasted that right when I was going to start talking. But I guess for so many years, y'all have heard me talk with my mouth full. It seems natural. All right, I got a thank you card from Marcy in Clarksville, Tennessee. It said, Paula, love you, Michael, Teresa, Eddie, and the boys, the whole bunch of y'all. Ain't God good? Yes, he is, Marcy. He is so good. What you did, amazing. Who you are, kind, thoughtful, and appreciated. Marcy, your words are greatly appreciated. So I want to read to y'all about that cookie is good. All right, let's see. Dear Paula, look what popped out while I was making my granddaughter's 10th birthday cookies. Why, a little Paula Deen. So look at that. Look. That kind of sticks out like a sore thumb, doesn't it? The rest of them have got dark hair, and I've got the white hair. These are so cute. She said, I just want you to know how I have enjoyed your quarantine cooking videos so much. I watch them to wind down every night before I go to bed. They're like my bedtime story. Laugh out loud. I have your magazines and 3 of your cookbooks. I have been watching you since the beginning. I look forward to your YouTube videos, so I hope you do not get tired of making them anytime soon. They have made me a much better home cook during this quarantine. We plan to eat at your restaurant in Destin, Florida at the end of June. Keep on keeping on. Lord bless and keep you all. Mary Slate Helms. Well, thank you, dear, and thank your little granddaughter for sharing a Paula Deen cookie with me. All right, thank y'all. I just all of the contact I have with y'all makes me feel like it's not even a quarantine going on, because I still know what y'all are doing. So I have been so excited to share this with y'all. Do you see this tablecloth? Do you see it? Can you get it, Eddie? I should have ironed it, but I didn't. So I'm gonna read y'all this letter. It said, "Dear Paula, my son Brandon made this tablecloth for you. He wanted to meet you and give it to you in person this summer at one of your book signings before COVID-19 hit. He is probably literally your biggest fan. He loves going to Paula Deen Family Kitchen in Pigeon Forge. He has also been to the Lady and Sons restaurant in Savannah and Paula Deen's Family Kitchen in Myrtle Beach. In fact, he thinks all family vacations should be planned around Paula Deen restaurants." Oh, that's great, Brandon. Maybe you'll make it to Branson. "We use his Paula Deen air fryer and multi-cooker all the time. He said you should make an extra large multi-cooker with a granite liner." Okay, Brandon, I'll keep that in mind. "Brandon is an adult with special needs. He has spoken to you before on the phone about your air fryer. He even prays for you and imitates your laugh quite well. Thank you for adding joy to my son's life. May God continue to bless you each day. Sincerely, Ginger Tyson." A gift from Brandon Tyson. Mattapony, Virginia. So, you know, it's just things like that that almost make me emotional, y'all, to think that somebody would care enough to take time from themselves, you know, to just bring a smile to another person's face. So I thank y'all. I thank y'all so much for your love and support that you've given me, and in fact my whole family. So I hope you're not too disappointed that we didn't cook today, but we be cooking later. Love and best dishes, y'all. Thank you. Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.